It's important that you regularly maintain your TPW Xpress Woolpress to keep it performing well. We recommend that you grease, oil and lubricate the following components once a week for wool presses that are used every day. This is an example of how guide rods look on a wool press that's requiring its weekly maintenance. Firstly, take your grease gun and cloth and wipe away any old grease and contaminants from the guide rods. Apply grease the whole way down the guide rods on both sides. The grease will smear evenly like this once the wool press is cycled. Now we'll apply grease to the 3 contact points of the door catch and rotate the handle a few times to smear the grease evenly. Next, remove the pinning guards and grab your oil. Apply a generous amount of oil to the base of the pins. Around the front of the wool press, apply some to the catch and close and open the catch a few times to spread. Lift the locking bar and apply oil to these 3 locations. Next, apply oil to the rear ejection assembly. Remove any loose wool from the pawls and ensure they swing freely. You can see the resistance on this left-hand pawl, which is a sign that it needs to be oiled. Apply oil to the pawls from the top of the wool press. You can see that the left-hand pawl now swings freely. Next, apply some oil here on the control valve handle. Finally, take your lubricant and spray the hinges of the door. Make sure that your wool press is serviced after 12 months and again before 25 months. Feel free to head to heiniger.com.au or heiniger.co.nz for more information.